Hi there, welcome back to my guides and tutorials. So today what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and tidy up the tow bar on the back of this van. The tow bar is all completely rusted up. I've got some hammerite paint, a couple of wire brush attachments from my drill. I'm just going to give it a quick skim over, get rid of all the loose debris and whatnot, and then I'm going to give it a wee brush over with the hammerite paint. Just because I've been pulling up in my car at night, I've had the headlights on. First thing I notice is just how terrible the tow bar looks. So hopefully a quick maybe half hour's work will make it look a bit more presentable from for like an aesthetic point of view. So yeah, I'm just going to crack on and do that. I'm going to take a couple of photographs, embed them in, and you can basically see. I'm not going to bore you with the actual ins and outs of the task involved, but basically it's just a quick wire brush and then a quick paint job just to tidy it up. So as you can see, this method seems to be working fine with the drill and the attachment. I'm not going to bore you with making you watch me do this all. I'll do a before and after image, attach this to this YouTube video, but hopefully maybe an hour's work at the most, this should look a lot better. So that's the tow bar looking a lot better than it did. The amount of rust that came off it once I started with the drill was unbelievable, to be honest. It's obviously been on there for quite some time. The van's quite old, it's a 57 plate, so yeah, I think the tow bar's probably past its best, but rather than just remove it, I'll leave it where it is. It's not going to be towing heavy loads anyway. So yeah, I've given it a wee tidy up, and as you can see from the photos, it looks 10 times better. Although it doesn't look like new, it's certainly better than it was. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll keep putting on the videos. Cheers now, bye.